Okay, the next one on the list is map colors. This is where we can change all sorts of different colored elements of our map. So if we click map colors, and we'll make a start. I'll make it landscape so we can see things a bit more clearly. We're currently in print view. Design view, you can't see as much of the customization. So print view, map title text, we've already covered this, but we'll set that. The map border, we'll set that. The map background, which is usually the sea, we can set that to white if we like. The title background, can set that. That's rather awful. Not much better. Anyway, so the map labels text. Click this and set that to that. You can see that's coloured the postcode area labels. The district labels, which are these smaller ones, we can set those as well. Set those to be something like that. Have a zoom in, and then we can set the area boundaries, which are the thick ones here, or the district boundaries, which are the thin ones. So if we set the area boundaries to that, district boundaries to that. Oops, there we go. So as you can see, it's possible to spend hours in here messing around, and when you think you've got it just right, you can go across here and click default colors and get back to square one. That's the map colors panel.